In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use internal notes in Freshdesk. Internal notes are a simple but powerful way to collaborate with your team behind the scenes while keeping customer conversations clean and focused. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a private note to any ticket and make sure the right teammates see it. First, log into Freshdesk. Head to the Freshdesk site, enter your login details, and click Login. Make sure you're signing into the correct account for your team so you can access the tickets you need. If you use multiple workspaces or email addresses, double check you're in the right one before moving on. Next, open a ticket. Click Tickets in the main menu, then select any ticket you want to work on. This could be a new inquiry, an ongoing conversation, or a case that needs input from another department. Opening the ticket gives you the full conversation timeline and the tools you'll use for your note. Inside the ticket, click Note. You'll find it next to Reply. Reply is what you'd use to message the customer. Note is for internal communication only. Choosing Note ensures you're adding context for your team without sending anything to the requester. Before you type, set the note as private. Click Not Visible to Contact and select Private. This is the key step that keeps the note internal. Private notes do not go to the customer and won't appear in their portal. If you ever collaborate with external partners, keeping notes private helps protect sensitive details. Now write your internal note. Be clear and specific. Summarize the issue, list what's been tried, and state what you need from teammates. Brief, structured messages help others act quickly. If there are ticket IDs, error messages, or steps to reproduce, add them. Keep the tone professional and avoid including any personal or sensitive data from the customer, unless it's essential to the case. If you want to loop people in, use add mention to notify agents. Tagging the right teammates directs attention and can trigger notifications, so use it intentionally. A short call to action like agent name, please review logs, makes the request obvious. Finally, click Add note to save it to the ticket timeline. Take a quick second to confirm the note is marked private before you add it. Once saved, your team can see it, respond, and keep the investigation moving without involving the customer until you're ready. And that's it. You've logged in, opened a ticket, added a private internal note, optionally notified teammates, and saved it. Internal notes keep collaboration tidy, traceable, and secure. Thanks for watching.